Welcome back to another unboxing from AIO. Today we are going to unbox a REMAX royalty cable for lightning. Let's roll. So now, let us unbox it. One of the most important details is that the box is completely made out of wood. REMAX logo is given at the front of the packaging, and they have said that it is a fast charging enabled charger, and it's a royalty cable. It has a copper plating interface and a spring coil appearance, and the model number is RC-0561. Coming to the side of the package, they have given the QR code and the company logo, and at the back they have said that it's a super cable, fast charging, and the royalty series data cable, and more information about the cable. The next big thing, let's open it. As I said earlier, you can see that it is made out of wood. Taking the package out, we get a small certificate. The charger comes in another plastic case. The quality is good. Now you can see that the charger is out. It has a metal finish to it. It has got a copper plating interface, spring coil appearance, and a metallic texture, and it is very strong and flexible wire, which gives it a long lifetime. As said in the box, it charges phone very fast. You can see that the spring expands when pulled. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe, and comment down below.